fresh clean water. It's probably the best machine I have for my work. So, here I've got the hot water tank to install. That's got to go up here, the hot water tank. It's, this has mixers in for the sink and the shower and the kitchen. Got a washing machine in the corner that's just cold water feed. Okay, so now they're just putting the switch in for the under lighting for the kitchen cabinet unit. I just had to drop that down. After we've skim coated, then we've primed it, you can actually see some blemishes. Oh, paint's still wet. So then we'll do another finish, finish, and then rub it down and then give it another primer to make sure the walls are nice and smooth. But yeah, only a little bit to do, not much. So up there, that's all concrete finish. Venice plaster or Vienna plaster, I'll have to check. Just finished skim coating that room, in the plant room, so that's ready for painting tomorrow. So let's have a look at what I've done in here. So like I say, they've done all the skim coat in here. That's steel for the sun visors. That's Owen on his phone. Inside the cupboard's all done, skimmed, finished today. Well, not skimmed, but rendered. Under here, yeah, this is the finish, Catman finish. And I've still got this bit to do for the finish clean off and finish, skim coat. Right there, one and framework's all done, front and back. Done the skim coat on there. Who are you shouting at? The grafter, Mr. Gloy. He's been off for over a week because he's just lost his mother. Getting there. So tomorrow they'll have to put the scaffolding on this side and finish off the skim coat. The same on the other side. The team we had in for the skim coat did a fantastic job. There you go. Yeah. Okay, bit more of an update. So the owners of the house, they've just acquired all this land here. There's 3 ponds, and they're just filling up with another 5 meters across here with soil for now, till they decide what they're going to be doing. I think they're keeping 1 pond for fishing, and they're going to landfill all that at a later date anyway, so we just cleared the land off. So here we are now, all the rendering's done, the skim coat, and then I'm going to be doing the Catman. All the polish finish with the wax and all that. So the guys moved out of there and moved their tents over in the middle because of the landfill that's going on. So that's the Catman there, just a little bit of a rub down and it gets the wax on. And it looks absolutely beautiful when it's all done. Don't know if you can see, that's been done over there. And let me show you what they're doing inside. So they're busy fitting door frames, putting the ceilings in. There's trouble over there, Miss Leck. Tomorrow the aircon team's coming to put the hole through the wall, through the cavity down, ready for the aircons for when we finish. Once I've done that, then we'll get the tiles down. That's what next. Got a laser level mark round for the tiles. So on this one we have a cassette air. The guys have fitted a steel framework in for the cassette to be bolted in. For there. We always use Daikin. I prefer Daikin than all the others. LG is okay. I wouldn't touch Samsung. But I do prefer Daikin. Easy to get the parts, easy for service. Yeah, we've got quite high ceilings in this one, in these 2 rooms. They're 3.2 meters high. Nice and spacious rooms. You can see they're busy fitting the doors in. There's architrave to go around yet, but we've got all the infill to do there. So what we do, we spray it up with expanding foam and then skim it off. Yeah, so tomorrow we've got to put the pipe in for the aircon there and same on that room. Then we'll finish off the balcony, putting the roof on and that, and the ceilings in. Ready for tiling in here now. And then landscape work. So what I've done here, I've marked out for where all the units are going. There's the tile going here, the hood, and there's units, 90 centimeter units going up 35 centimeters out from the wall along here, and then we just boarded that off for the vent pipe, power for the hood, power for the oven, it's in there.